YouTube? My name's Sebastian, and I'm going to be showing you guys today the Torque Solutions brass U-joint. My car is a 2013 Subaru STI. Right now it's super filthy, but yeah, I'm going to show you guys how bad my slop is right now. Here's my shifter, the 6-speed. So I don't see a lot of installs of this U-joint being installed on a 6-speed. I mostly see them being done on early models of the 5-speed, but essentially right now it's in neutral, and if I push it to the side, I mean, there's some resistance. If I push it all the way to the side, sure, but if I put it in gear, that's about what, maybe about an inch of play, but we're gonna hopefully get that resolved today. All right, so the car is all lifted up. I'm gonna make sure the car is on there. That is not going anywhere. It's just leaving a jack, or at least a tire under, just in case. Got my little creeper here. Go into the car, take a look, see what we can find. That's my brother's GT with some Project 6GR wheels. Looks nice. Alright, I've replaced some bushings with the Torque Solutions. I got the Tomei exhaust. It's got some damage, that's okay. I believe I need to take this heat shield off, but if I continue to keep going down, we should be able to see. Interesting. So what I'm seeing here, it looks like previous owner upgraded to the cartboy bushings already. So I may not even need to use it. It may just be the U-joint that I need to replace. I don't know how well it's been taken care of, but we have here the front shifter bushings. Doesn't seem like there's any play on that, but when I look at the joint up here, so you can see that there's some play with the U-joint. So definitely these bushings gotta go. So I'm gonna see if I can not have to take off transmission subframe. It is kind of in the way. It may be possible I can do it without it. I'll let you guys know. But our first step is gonna be taking out this bolt so we can pull out the shifter rod, whatever you wanna call it. I don't know the proper term for that. So that way we can get to the rod up there with the joint.